the reading book called The Monkey Puzzle. I've lost my mum. Hush, little monkey, don't you cry. I'll help you find her, said the butterfly. Let's have a think. How big is she? She's big, said the monkey. Bigger than me. Bigger than you? I've seen your mum. Come, little monkey, come, come, come. No, 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 that's an elephant. My mum isn't a great big grey hunk. She hasn't got tusks and a curly trunk. She doesn't have great big thick baggy knees, and anyway, her tail coils around trees. She coils around trees? Then she's very near. Quick, little monkey, she's over here. No, 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 that's a snake. Mum doesn't look a bit like this. She doesn't slither or hiss, and she doesn't curl around her nest of eggs. And anyway, my mum has got more legs. It's legs we're looking for. I know where she is. Come this way. No, 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 that's a spider. Mum isn't black and hairy and fat. She hasn't got as many legs as that. She'd rather eat fruit than swallow a fly, and she lives on the treetops way up high. She lives in the trees. You should have said, your mummy is hiding above your head. No, 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 that's a parrot. Mum's got a nose, not a beak. She doesn't squawk or squabble or squeak. She doesn't have claws and feathery wings. And anyway, my mum leaps and springs. Ah, I've got it. She leaps about. She's just round the corner without a doubt. No, 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 that's a frog. Butterfly, butterfly, please don't joke. Mum's not green and she doesn't croak. She's not slimy, oh dear what a muddle. She's brown and furry and nice to cuddle. Brown fur? Why didn't you tell me so? We'll find her. No time. Off we go. No, 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 that's a bat. Why do you keep getting it wrong? Mum doesn't sleep the whole day long. I told you she's got no wings at all, and anyway, she's not nearly so small. Your mum's not little. Now let me think. She's down by the river having a drink. No, 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 that's the elephant again. Butterfly, butterfly, can't you see? None of these creatures looks like me. You never told me she looks like you. Of course I didn't. I thought you knew. I don't know. I can't you see? None of my babies looks like me. So she looks like you. Well, if that's the case, we'll soon discover her hiding place. No, 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 that's my dad. Come, little monkey, come, come, come. It's time I took you home to see your mum. Thank you for watching.